Hello. Just thought I'd show you my apple crop. This is for all you budding gardeners out there. Look at this, magnificent, showy. Oh well, that one's got a bit of a bad on it, but never mind. It's an apple. All right, so it's not very impressive, but take a closer look, because this apple is growing on this tree, and this tree is actually part of my woodpile. You see, all these logs were put here. This one had its end down on the ground. Threw up all these little suckers. Sorry about the acrobatics. And there it grows. Ain't nature wonderful? Well, I think it is.